Today we're going to show you our take on making some buffalo chicken sliders.
We're doing simple chicken sliders using Hawaiian rolls. It's an easy way to get your game day food ready or prep your food prior to tailgating. Joe, he's Greg.
Stop it. So there's a ton of buffalo chicken slider recipes out there. We're going to show you our take on our buffalo chicken sliders. Obviously, this is BluffCityGrub. Layers of flavor is what we're known for.
First off, we're going to be giving you our take on our Bluff City sweet heat hot sauce that we'll be putting on those chicken sliders today.
Also, going to be giving you a tip on how to make your buffalo chicken sliders. The chicken come out a little bit creamier. And then we have an excellent finishing butter that we're going to show you as well.
We're working on our Bluff City buffalo sauce. Of course, you can catch this recipe in the description below, but we've got our Frank's hot sauce here. We're gonna bring in a little citrus, a little pineapple habanero here, a little brown sugar, some tiger sauce, and the juice of half of one lime. Right, we're just gonna bring this to a simmer, let all the ingredients incorporate.
I really like this Bluff City sweet heat because, it's definitely a different take on your traditional buffalo sauce, and you know how we do it here. We're all about those layers of flavor.
While we're waiting for the sauce to simmer, we're gonna go ahead and put it on the back burner here, and we're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven to 350.
We're cooking buffalo chicken sliders, but we're doing a really easy take on it. And so one of the things you can do is go get one of those rotisserie chickens from the store that's already pre-cooked, and we're just gonna break this chicken down. I like to use all of the chicken to make sure it's mixed up, the breast meat and the dark meat as well. Dark meat's where most of your flavors at, so you want to make sure that's pretty well incorporated. I'm just gonna take all these bones out and shred the chicken. But this is how you make your chicken sliders, really easy. You don't have to worry about like smoking chicken or cooking chicken. You just go to the store, get you one of these rotisserie chickens. We're going to show you that right after I get this chicken broken down.
All right, our Bluff City sweet heat buffalo sauce is ready. Of course, you can use your favorite sauce. I'm going to go ahead and get Greg some. There you go, sir.
Of course, Joe put the sauce right in my way. All right, like I said, this recipe is really simple. We got our chicken broken down here. You can see I left some of the skin in there. Of course, skin has really good flavor, but this is white and dark meat all incorporated. And I'm feeling a bit lazy today. Now, you don't have to use a KitchenAid. I don't feel like mixing anything, so I'm just gonna throw everything right here in this bowl. Get this guy out of the way. All right, we're gonna throw some shredded cheddar cheese in here. Get this all mixed up. Of course, you can find all the specs in the description below. Some of her Bluff City sweet heat. This is one of our secret ingredients right here. You won't find this in most recipes. It's cream cheese. It's definitely gonna make these sliders, the chicken in there, a little bit more creamier, easy to eat, melt in your mouth. All right, we're just gonna get this in our KitchenAid, mix it up. All right, like I said, you don't have to use a KitchenAid. You can actually mix this up by hand. I'm just feeling a little lazy today. Put our KitchenAid on. We're gonna mix this up for a little bit, and we're gonna make our sliders. All right. We got our buffalo chicken mixture all mixed up. We got some more slider buns here. Of course, we're using Kings Hawaiian Rolls. You can't go wrong with these. They're absolutely delicious. We're gonna take these out of the pack, and we're gonna get this sliced up.
I don't think you can make buffalo chicken sliders, really, or any slider without King's Hawaiian Rolls.
I'm telling you, man, these things are money.
It looks to me like you're possibly getting to the hardest part of the whole cook.
Yeah, I mean, that's it. It's just cutting the bread evenly, and sometimes I suck at it, so forgive me if I mess this up. We're just gonna go straight down the middle. Make sure you use a serrated knife. It makes it easier to cut right down the middle of the bread. Just like so. All right, so we gotta get these apart in one piece, and whatever works best for you. Sometimes the spatula works out pretty good for me. Just turn these to the side, and just 1, 2, 3, boom. So we have our baking dish here. We got some healthy human avocado spray. comment from one of our previous videos. Pretty funny. Just spray that in there for non-stick. Go ahead and put our bottom half in there. And then we're gonna take our buffalo chicken mixture. So, man, this is so easy. I love it. This is really good for, you know, game days, tailgating, whatever you got going on. If you want to make it in the middle of the week, you know, just for your kids, it's awesome. We're just gonna spread this evenly across our slider buns. This is looking delicious. We got our mixture spread out evenly over here. I'm just gonna add a little bit more cheese because, you know, here at Bluff City we like layers of flavor. Just sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top. You don't have to if you don't like it, but I like mine extra cheesy. And we're just gonna pick our buns up.
Where the magic happens.
Right there on top. Bam! We got our last tip for you, and this is actually what's really gonna set these sliders off. You hadn't seen anybody do this before, and we're gonna show you what that is. All right, we're gonna get this butter melted, and we're gonna show you our secret ingredient in just a second. All right, we got our butter melted, and this is one of the things that's really gonna set these buffalo chicken sliders off, and it's really simple, really easy to do. Is we have a little bit of ranch seasoning. A lot of people put the ranch dressing inside of the buffalo chicken mixture. We're gonna put a little ranch seasoning in our butter, mix that up really good, and then we're just gonna spread that on top to add another layer of flavor to our sliders. Just like that. Save a little bit, just in case we want to add a little bit on top after they come out. All right. These guys are looking good and they're ready to go in the oven. Let's get these bad boys in the oven. We're gonna do them uncovered. You can cover them. I like to dry mine out. I'm gonna let these roll about 15-20 minutes. Take them out of the oven, see what they look like. Move it all. Let's get these buffalo chicken sliders out. Oh man, things are looking delicious. That's why I leave the foil off of it. I like that butter to dry, but we're gonna hit it with a little bit more. All right, so we just got these bad boys out of the oven. We're gonna go ahead and transfer these to the cutting boards. Give us just a second. We're gonna show you how we finish these guys off. All right, we got our buffalo chicken sliders transferred to our cutting board here. We're just gonna finish them off, man, with, you guessed it, one more layer of flavor. We got a little bit of our butter left. We're just gonna hit the top of these one more time. Put a little shine on it. They're still hot, so this butter will melt down pretty quick. And that's about it, man. Buffalo chicken sliders, BluffCityGrub style.
Greg, this is a wonderful, unique take from traditional buffalo chicken sliders.
Let's get these guys sliced up. Just go down the seams. Real easy. Can't go wrong with buffalo chicken sliders.